Hello, this is Julie Jordan Scott, and I am so grateful you are here. Today we're going to talk about journaling for success. That's right, journaling for success with your business, with your life, with any kind of personal growth you want to do, specifically journaling to grow. Journaling for business and personal success is different than what many people think of as journaling. The truth is that the most successful people in the world use journaling daily as a way to sort out their strategies, their plans, their structures, and yes, those free-floating emotions that get in their way and block their success. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a series of prompts that you can use nightly to figure out what is best working for you and what can help you move forward. And in using these, they help to awaken your subconscious mind to deliver exactly what you need for your personal and business success. I like to think of this journaling as a kind of bridge, a bridge from one day to the next, a bridge where you can assess what happened on one day and prepare for an even better tomorrow through a series of prompts and questions that'll take you from today to tomorrow and to more successful tomorrows. In order to activate your strategic journaling, I created a worksheet for you, kind of a cheat sheet, so that you can move into strategic journaling with ease. The questions and prompts are all there, all outlined, but I'll go over them here with you first. All you need to do is click the link in the description box below to receive that free strategic journaling worksheet. Here are the prompts and questions. The first one is, what went well today? What went well today? Kick yourself off with the good stuff. Second is, what didn't go so well today? What would you like to improve upon? The third thing is, what are some ideas that will help solve some of those problems or blocks or bumps in the road that you missed, that you hit, that you don't want to hit anymore? The fourth is gratitude. What are you grateful for? You may find that you're actually grateful for those bumps in the road. And then finally, I call it the more of that please section, where you begin to attract what you want more of. What would make you feel so excited and delighted every day? Pretty simple, isn't it? The thing is, as you do this repeatedly, your subconscious mind will begin to work towards delivering this stuff to you, the good stuff, and solving the problems and the ideas. As you write the bumps in the road that you hit and the blocks and barriers, your subconscious mind will start to deliver the solutions to you as well. Isn't that amazing? This is how journaling can be strategic and can help you to have a more successful future. Experts have told us that doing this sort of journaling at night, an hour or so before you go to sleep, ignites something in you, your inner genius, your inner artist, whatever you feel comfortable calling it. But do this at night, and when you wake up in the morning refreshed and go about your day, all of a sudden, solutions begin to appear. Well, thank you so much for joining me for this discussion about strategic journaling. There's another video you might be interested in watching to take you further along the journey of success with journaling. This is Julie Jordan Scott. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you on the next video.